Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then click the red colored subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get the latest update of our new videos directly to your inbox. So friends, in this video you will learn how to apply window animation scale in VIVO 1901 Android phone. So friends, to enable window animation scale, at first we have to switch to settings. So to switch the settings, simply you just need to drag the screen from bottom to top, and then you need to tap on the settings icon. This is the settings icon which looks like gear. Then tap on settings button, and then you need to tap on more settings. So this is the more settings. After that you need to tap on about phone to enable developer option. After that you need to tap on software version test 7 times. You just need to tap on 7 times on the software version to enable developer option. Since I am already developer option is enabled, since in my phone all developer option is already enabled, so I am getting this option. No need, you are already a developer. Now we need to switch back to more settings, and then you need to scroll down to developer options. So this is the developer option which is located bottom of the screen. You just need to tap on, and then you need to enable this developer option button. I already enabled this. After enabling the developer options, you just need to scroll down to window animation scale. See, this is the window animation scale by default, which is 1x. Just you need to tap on window animation scale, and then you will get various options: animation scale 0.5x, 1.5x, and animation scale 2x, 5x, and 10x. See the window appears like this. Let's set it 10x. See, so window animation scale becomes like this. See how the windows appears, again disappear. Once you make it 5x, see it slides appeared quicker than the 10x. See, if you make it animation scale 5.5x, see it appears quickly and then disappears quickly. Once you make it animation scale 10x, it appears slowly and then also disappears slowly. So friends, in this way you can enable Windows animation scale or change the Windows animation scale in VIVO 1901 model. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.